Hi students, today we are going to do the writing. So we will begin this. How to write an informational essay. Your writing standard this week is the highly proficient student can write an informational text that thoroughly examine a topic using relevant facts, definitions, concrete details, quotations, or other information and examples related to the topic. This just means that everything you write is going to be true. It's going to be something you read, something you researched. And the essential questions are, what is informational text? How is the topic conveyed using purposeful formatting? How is relevant information used to develop strong writing? How do you thoroughly examine a topic? So, to start off with, this week, you will be writing about the 3 branches of government. These are the things that will help you with your writing. Checks and balances, and the checks and balances worksheet. You will find this in your writing packet. Next, ways to write a hook. This is your anchor chart for writing a hook. A hook is a sentence that will grab the reader's attention. You can put it in the form of a question, asking about what you are going to write about, using an amazing fact that has to do with what you are going to write about, using an exclamation which shows how you feel about what you're going to write about, or maybe using a sound effect telling how something sounds. You will use this format to help you come up with a hook to use. So in the form of a question, I came up with, what are the checks and balances of the U.S. government? That could be your hook sentence. Or you can do amazing fact. Checks and balances is the way our government is set up in the United States. Or you can use the next one, exclamation. Checks and balances, separation of powers, what is going on? And I didn't come up with anything for sound effects because there's really no way of doing sound effects for the 3 branches of government. So this is the format of how your writing should come together. This is the format. So at the beginning, you're going to write down your title, the 3 branches of government, by, and then you're going to type your name. So in paragraph 1, you will put it in order this way. First sentence, you're going to write your hook sentence. That means you're going to go back and you're going to look at the 3 hook sentences we came up with, and you're going to choose one. Starting off with a question is usually good. So you can use your question hook sentence here. Next, you're going to tell why it is important to learn about the 3 branches of government. This is your sentence 2. Why is it important to learn about the 3 branches of government? Sentence 3, tell why the 3 branches were created. Sentence 4, tell why the 3 branches are called checks and balances. Sentence 5, tell what you will be writing about. You should have 5 sentences in this paragraph. Just to let you know, you should have 5 sentences in all your paragraphs. This is how you will continue your writing. You're going to use the same format, and now we're going to paragraph 2. You will put it in this order. Sentence 1, start with this sentence. Firstly, I will be telling you about the legislative branch. That's going to be your first sentence. Sentence 2, 3, and 4, write about the 3 facts that you found out about the legislative branch. That is on a separate paper where it asks you to find 3 facts of the legislative branch. Use those facts to write it for sentence 2, 3, and 4. Sentence 5, in with this sentence. Although the legislative branch is important, it does not have all the power. This is still a continuation of your writing. This is going to be paragraph 3. You will put it in this order. Sentence 1, start with this sentence. Secondly, I will be telling you about the legislative branch. Sentence 2, 3, and 4, write about the 3 facts that you found out about the executive branch. That's on a separate piece of paper. You found out 3 facts. Write 1 sentence for each of those facts. Sentence 5, end with this sentence. In addition, the executive branch does not have all the power. And then you're going to continue on to yet another paragraph of your writing. You're going to be doing paragraph 4. You will put it in this order. Sentence 1, start with this sentence. Lastly, I will be telling you about the judicial branch. Sentences 2, 3, and 4, you are going to write about the 3 facts that you found out about the judicial branch. Sentence 5, end with this sentence. Eventually, the judicial branch does not have all the power, but it does complete the powers of each branch. And then we come to your last paragraph. We're still using the same format. In paragraph 5, you will put it in this order. Sentence 1, use another hook sentence. Go back to the hooks. You already used the question one, so don't use the question one again. You're going to use a different one. You could use the one that has to do with amazing facts. Amazing facts could help here. You can write that sentence here. Sentence 2, tell how checks and balances is used to limit the power of each branch. Sentence 3, summarize paragraphs 2, 3, and 4. So you're going to tell in one sentence what you wrote about. You wrote about 3 branches, and you're going to name all 3 branches in that sentence. And you're going to use the following sentence starter to sum it all up. The checks and balances is about the legislative, the executive, and the judicial branch, and how they all have powers to control the government. And then sentence 4, you're going to write a closing statement. You may use the following. In conclusion, checks and balances is about the 3 branch of government, which is the way our U.S. government is set up. And then you are done. You're done with writing all 5 paragraphs. So now when you're done writing all 5 paragraphs, you're going to make edits and revisions. That means you're going to use the arms and cups method. Arms means to add or remove, or to move things, or to substitute. So the following anchor chart can help you revise and edit your writing. You can add or remove words or sentences. You can move words or sentences around. You can use another word that means the same as the word you are taking out. Make sure that you use capital letters where they belong. Make sure that you have complete sentences. Use correct punctuation, period, question mark, exclamation point, at the end of your sentences. Make sure that you do not have any misspellings. Correct them if you do. So your final draft should look like this. You see how all 3 paragraphs are together and each one has an indentation. Indentation means that you should hit the tab button before you start writing. So your final draft should have 5 paragraphs with 4 to 5 sentences each. Each paragraph should have an indentation. Hit the tab key before you start your paragraph. Do not forget to use cups and arms to make correction. Your Final draft should not have any mistakes or misspellings. Please have someone proofread it for you or read it to someone so that it all makes sense. So that concludes your writing. I hope that you are all ready for this, and I want to wish you good luck with your writing, and I hope that this helped. Thank you. Bye.